So now we are ready to unbox our books, the co-authored books, and the book's name is I Can Coach, and this is the volume 5. Okay, so now let's unpack it. Okay, so there are 100 books we have, and if you can see that now almost we are done. So let's, the first packet, there are two packets, total 100 books, and we are just unpacking them. Okay, so these are the first book. Okay, so you can see that the book, look and feel of the book, and this is the, we have such amazing 100 books. Okay, so let me check it out. Yeah, so we have such 100 books, you can see. So my son is also trying to unbox. Okay, you try. Okay, keep one book. Yeah, okay, good.